Welcome to this session of Google Tag Manager with Webdadi. We have created an integration capability with Google Tag Manager for Webdadi websites, and today I'm just going to quickly show you how easy it is to install a third-party widget such as the Yomdel Chat widget. So without further ado, I'm going to assume you already have a Google Tag Manager account already set up, because I'm not going to go into it this session, it'll take too long, but there are plenty of YouTube videos out there how to do this. So assuming you have a Google account, and say for analytics, you can use that same Google account to set up your Google Tag Manager account. And once you've done that for your website, it'll look something like this when you load it up, except you won't have all these recipes that are already installed. So what I'm going to do is just show you how to import somebody else's recipes. So I said Yomdel Chat, and I'm going to head over to do that. So we use the admin section. You don't need to be a developer or a designer, have any coding knowledge whatsoever, and obviously you can do it yourself, so it's free of charge. I head over to the import container feature, I choose the recipe file, and here it is, the Yomdel Webdadi GTM chat recipe. I've selected that. I'm going to select an existing workspace. Let's call it test space. I already have ready, and I'm going to overwrite anything that's already there. It's picked up that I've got one tag and one trigger, and that's all that's in the recipe. So pretty simple. Variables in there are all ones that are already there. So what I'm going to do is just overwrite what's there already. It won't make any difference, and I'm just going to confirm it. So here we go, and I scroll down and you'll see the two new entries there, Yomdel trigger and the Yomdel tag. So we have a tag that is triggered to fire on the website, and it's all there ready to go for you to preview and then submit. Now I don't have an account with Yomdel to test this with for this website, but suffice to say that if you set up your account with Yomdel Chat, once they have your website address, it'll all just work. So you test it first by using the preview, and when you're ready to go and it's all working, you just click submit. And that's how to upload a widget using Google Tag Manager with Webdadi. Thanks very much.